this is my friend logo, and I was trying to re-edit on Photoshop. So what happened is that if I left click and open with Photoshop, and it would say this horrible error, and it seems that something is missing in that image. So the same thing, I was thinking like maybe Photoshop is in Photoshop it may not work. So what I did is I left click again, and this time I went to Illustrator, and again it said the same thing, and it's the same error. And I was thinking, well, what happened? And I really have no idea. And again I went open with, and this time I went to After Effects, and again it said the same issue, the same problem. And this time I really have no idea what to do. But at that moment what I did was I restart my system, but it didn't happen, it didn't solve me at all. So later on I come across with messing around. So what I did was I opened with, now instead of going to all this, I went to Paint, this one, I went to open with Paint, and I have this this logo right here. But this time you can change the resolution, but I recommend that keep the resolution just like that. And what you do is go to this file and go to save as. This time you go to JPG, and then you set the location. So this time I want this logo to be saved in this desktop, and then I'm going to say I'm going to set this one into PNG, and then I will say save, and it's going to take some time. And okay, so now let's go back. I'm going to left click, open with, and this time I'll go with Photoshop. Okay, so now we have our logo opening, and we solved that problem. So let's see if it worked the same on Illustrator. Okay, so open with Illustrator. Yeah, it works. So yeah, I'm sharing this video to you, and in case if you have followed the same tutorial that I did, and you will solve your own problem. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that like button, and I will see you next time. Shit. Damn it.